Hi, I'm Tom Snyder, Exhibitions Sales Manager. My role at IMTS is basically the puzzle master that I create the floor plans for every exhibitor in every hall for the show. And going through the show cycle is also my job to manage the floor plans and rearrange people as there's changes take place and get people in the right places at the right time. The show, before it starts, the whole thing is I'm staring at a floor plan for a year and a half. And when I get to the show site, I'm watching the floor plans being built into 3D. They're coming to life. It's just there's an energy, a buzz. You've worked so hard at this. You can't wait for the doors to open. You want to see the people come in. It's showtime. I think one of the things, outside of work, when you're working in your yard, I love to read a lot of crime fiction novels and things like that. You get ideas and you start thinking of ways. And outside of the box thinking, it sparks ideas for making the floor plans or solving an issue, a logistical issue. As I'm reading all these books and the whodunits and whatnot, it's a mystery, and you're always trying to think ahead and think of where the narrative is going or where it's actually going. And same way when I'm working on the floor plans, I start in one direction and then I'll get a thought about something and I'll jump back to another hall and it'll solve another problem for me that I didn't even see. Yeah, I think one of the cool things about this IMTS, it's not the same show after show after show. There's something new and exciting every single event. And even from us Mondays working on the floor plans, there's always a challenge. It keeps you going, keeps you motivated. Tom Snyder, Exhibition Sales Manager.